I'm More. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on the upload, period. Okay, baddies, so I have a collective haul. If you guys know, I'm an Aries. We're impulsive shoppers, but I'm also the type of person that obsessed over stuff for years and keep it in my cart, and then when I finally have the coins, I'll purchase it. So I got some fragrances and some fashion items. If you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, this is a collective haul. So some of these items I purchased all the way back in like August, but we're gonna start off with the fragrances. We're not going in the exact order I got everything, but we're gonna start off with the fragrances. First thing I got was this Bond No. 9 Luxe Trio, and basically it's a set of 3 different fragrances from, like I said, Bond No. 9. So these are the 3 fragrances you get. You get Nolita, Tribeca, and Greenwich Village. And these are 50 milliliter fragrances. They cost about $320 to $330 each. And this set retailed for $480 when I got it, and they were also having a 15% off summer sale on the website. So after taxes, shipping, and the 15% off, I only paid $408 for all 3 of these fragrances, when one retails for like I think 2 of them are $330 and then one is $320. So literally almost like $1,000 for 3 fragrances when I got mine for $408. I think now on the website they currently retail for $525 plus tax. My favorite is definitely Tribeca. Tribeca smells a lot like Baccarat to me. Lolita's more like sexy, more fruity, a little bit of floral, but not too much. And then Greenwich Village is like clean, floral, and just with a little bit of musk as well. I don't know. I really like this set, and I'm so happy I got it. When you purchase on Bond No. 9, you can like order samples or whatever. So I had got 3 samples. I got, and this is how they come. So I got Esther Place, the scent of peach, and then I got New Bond Street. Yo, I don't know if you guys can tell since like the camera's kind of far away. Esther Place and the piece of scent literally are like still full. New Bond Street is literally empty because I fell in love with it. So I had to order it. And I ended up getting like the actual big bottle. I think this is what, 100 milliliters. So obsessed with this. This is like my new everyday fragrance. Once again, this is New Bond Street. And boom, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is 3.3 fluid ounces, but it doesn't say milliliters. I don't know the conversion, but OMG. It smells like cinnamony, vanilla-y, a warm hug. It smells very nostalgic-y to me. I don't know. I'm very obsessed with it. I love it. And I got the big bottle of that. So I was like 4 something, I believe. Yeah, I don't remember. And then I got this, which is Delina from Parfum de Marly for my best friend's birthday. And I was like, oh my God, I want it so bad in my collection. I didn't smell it. So honestly, all of these except for the New Bond Street were like blind buys. But I'm like really into perfume or fragrances right now. So I was like, you know what? I want the Delina for myself, and I got it. So this is like what, 3 something? I don't know exactly how much it was. She smells like, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, like the first initial smell to me smells like grease, but once you let it like mix with your body chemistry, I would say it smells like floral-y, sexy, powdery, but it still smells really good. I just think this is something that you have to wait until your body chemistry, kind of have to wait till it dries down, basically. Those are all the fragrances I got. So the rest of the items are just all closed, so we're just gonna get this out the way. When I was shopping the other day, I bought myself a new bag, a bag that I've really been wanting. So I will be doing a luxury unboxing. I didn't want to really include it in this video because this is mainly just like clothes and fragrances. So I'll be doing a completely separate different video. If you guys are interested, stay tuned and like this video so you guys can see that luxury unboxing. But I did stop at Louis Vuitton when I did buy my bag the other day. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I stopped at the one on Rodeo. This is the receipt. Shout out to Bo. He was my sales associate and I love him. This is the receipt. So the bracelet was $275, and then after tax I paid $301. Originally I went in to get the, what is it called, Crazy in Lock or Crazy in Love bracelet, but I didn't like the way it fit on me. I might go back and get it. I don't know. I should like because I only tried it on with the charm hanging this way, but I realized you can also wear it with the chain, the charm hanging this way. So I might go back and see, but this is how the box comes. Undo it. Actually, we're just gonna slide this off because we might make a TikTok. Okay. Yeah, we might make a TikTok. So then you pull it down. Oops, well, it just came down. And it has the little like price tag receipt that they scan. And then it's in a dust bag. It looks like nice and dainty. And I got the, what is it called? The historic mini bracelet in the size 19. I think it's the historic monogram. Yeah, the historic mini monogram. So it's super, super thin and super, super like dainty, but it's so cute. So basically you can like push it on the side. It's like a little clasp on the side. You just push it and then it opens. I'm gonna try to put it on. It has 2 gold hardware pieces that say Louis Vuitton over and over. And it's super thin and like just really, really dainty. My grandma, who's also my mom and raised me, she just got me the Louis Vuitton Louise earrings for Christmas, but I shipped them to her house. So I wanted to like just get myself another little like dainty piece that I could wear with that. And I also plan to get the Hermes click age bracelet soon. When I tried on the like Lockhart one, it didn't move as like, see how this just is moving? Like once I move my arm, that one didn't move. So I might have to try it on again, but this is super dainty, super cute, and I love it. And you just press the button to take it on and off, and that's it. So yeah, just a cute little gift for myself from Louis Vuitton. Let's put that back in the dust bag. It also comes with the authentication. Boop, boop. Taking it back all the way to August. You guys seen this if you watch my last vlog. I went to Vegas for a day with my grandma and my aunt, and I went to the Chrome Heart store. So I never showed you guys what I got, so let me show you guys now. Julie was the person that helped me, so shout out to her. She was really nice. And y'all, I only got 2 shirts, literally only got 2 shirts, and I spent $7.53 at Chrome Heart. So okay, so I got 2 shirts. It's wrapped. So the first shirt I got, this is the first shirt that I got. Both shirts are in a size large, by the way. So it just has the Chrome Hearts logo on the pocket. And it just has like a pocket in the front. And the front is very, very simple. I mean, it does have like a little Chrome Hearts logo here, but you probably can't see that. The front is super, super duper simple. And then on the back, it has the Chrome Heart logo as well, but it says Las Vegas at the bottom. Period, period. So love this shirt. Again, this is in the size large. So next top I got, which I really love, but I did not know it was this much until she told me I told her. So this top was $420. And again, this is in the large. So on the front, it's really simple as well. It just has a pocket, black pocket, and it has the Chrome Hearts. Chrome Hearts has multiple logos, so it just says Chrome Hearts. And then on the sleeves, as you guys can see, it has these super cute, like colorful crosses, the Chrome Heart crosses. Or daggers, whatever. No, these are the crosses. Sometimes they're daggers. And then it says hearts. This side says chrome. Can you guys see that? And then this is the back. It says Chrome Hearts, and it has a whole bunch of the same colorful crosses on it. And then at the bottom, it says Chrome Hearts as well. So I'm literally obsessed with both t-shirts. Even though the white one is super simple, I love a good, like, simple piece. Like, you could just never go wrong with a simple piece, you know? So $7.53 is how much I spent at Chrome Hearts. Love these items. And let's move on. So like I said, this is in no particular order. I'm just picking up bags. Like I said, I got myself a bag the other day, and that's when I got the Louis Vuitton bracelet. And then we went to the Grove. I went by myself to shop, but I went to the Grove with Amber, my aunt. And we went to Aritzia, so I got a few things. Shout out to Brandon and Christina, if you're watching, that's who helped me. At Aritzia, we spent $223, and I got 3 items. So this is the stuff I got from Aritzia. So the first item I got is this Babaton. I was like seeing if it has any. Oh, the Contour Crew. So I had the Babaton or the Babaton Contour Crew crop top in a size large. I think it got a little bit of makeup on it, but this fits so cute, and it like cinches you in. It makes the girls sit up, and it's really, really comfortable. So this was $38. And then I got the TNA Life High Rise. So these are the TNA Life High Rise in large, the 7-inch in large, and these are $38 as well. So I'm gonna use these to work out. I need to get back into the gym. These fit really good as well, cinch you in, and I need to go get like a few pair of these with some workout tops because those are really comfortable as well. And then the last thing I got are these. So I got these like cargo pants. These are TNA. They're called the Cold Pants, and I got mine in a size extra large, and these were $128. Why did I spend $128 on them? I don't know, but they're super, super cute. They got the pockets. They like, you can drawstring them at the bottom. It says TNA right here. Hella pockets, drawstring, real stretchy, and I wanted them big. They don't really fit me big. They kind of, well, they do fit me big. I could definitely get these in a large, but I don't know. I really like the way they fit. So that's what I got from Aritzia. Once again, shout out to Brandon and Christina for helping me and Amber. You can see this. Okay. The next thing is a sweatsuit from Essentials, Fear of God. I got this from Essence. I literally always order all my Fear of God Essentials. You see, I got some on right now. I literally always order it from Essence. So this sweatsuit was like $190, or maybe like, it was like close to $200, but this is from one of their newer collections, and I am in love. So it just says Essentials, Fear of God, and it's like in this orange color, and then the lettering is like in an orange color too, but you can see it. It's super cute. I got it in a large. I realized I could have got this whole sweatsuit in a size medium because all my other stuff is medium. Well, one thing is a large, and I realized every time I get a large it's too big. So I could have got this in a medium, but it's gonna fit really, really big and comfy, and it's just gonna be like super good for errands, shopping, gonna go get my hair or nails done, something, you know, where I'm sitting for a while and I need to be comfy. Once again, I got that in a large. Did I tell you guys that? Oh no. No, okay. I said this was in a large and it's a medium. I literally got this in a medium and it's still big. I got the pants in a large. Yeah, so I got the top in a medium and it's still big. I don't know why, like I always get medium. I could have probably got a small in this, but it fits really, really comfy. And then the pants are in a large. The pants, so this is the front though, which I love. I love that they have the little Essentials on the front. It also has on a hoodie, I forgot to show you guys. It says Essentials too. Yeah, it says Essentials, Fear of God. Love this color, it's super, super cute. Again, this will just be so comfy. I cannot wait to wear it. I've always been a juicy girl, and I was just like, I need some more juicy in my life. So last week I ordered 2 Juicy Couture sets. This is what they look like. Urban Outfitters had them on sale, but I didn't catch it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just order it. So literally I spent like, well, I'll tell you guys the prices, but this is the hoodie. The hoodie is in a size medium. The pants are in a large. And then the pants say juicy as well. These are the pants. I really don't feel like taking them off the hanger, but you guys get the point. They say juicy. So the pants were $99. Top was $119, and I got 2. So this is the black set. Again, the jacket is in the medium, and then the pants is in the large. And then I got it in like this hot pink color. Same deal. Same deal, just says juicy on the back. And these are the bottoms. Cute, right? Total, I spent like 4 something on those 2 sweatsuits, but I mean, it's juicy, like, you know, and you can wear them over and over again. Something good for like getting your hair done, nails, lounge, whatever. Last 2 items I got are from Gallery Department. I ordered 2 shirts from them, and yeah, you get this free bag when you order online. They actually have a store here in LA, but I was just like, you know, I want to order it. Chrome Hearts has a store in LA too, but I was in Vegas. So. Got 2 shirts, and one was $250 and one was $275, and after tax and all that, I spent $600. So this is the $250 shirt, and both of these are in a size large as well. So this one just says Department Day Gallery, and it's like in this like navy deep bluish color, and then it has like this faded yellow. Oh my god, I love this top. And on the back it just says the same thing, Department Day Gallery, De La Gallery. Ugh, can't wait to wear these. So yeah, got that. Once again, it's in a size large. I feel like a lot of people don't do like hauls featuring Gallery Department on here, or a lot of like black girls, or a lot of girls period. And they do, they never like say what size they get in their tops or whatever. But I got a long sleeve top. This one is also a large, like I said, and this one is white. And this one says, actually says Gallery Department. And then on the back it says Gallery Department, Hollywood, California. And that is pretty much it, guys. I feel like it's a lot of stuff, but it's actually not a lot of stuff. August, September, October, and now we're in November. So it's a lot of stuff over the span of 4 months. But I'm a shopaholic, and I just love shopping, and I love treating myself. And I feel like every day that we're on this earth, especially after the last few years, we deserve to treat ourselves and live in luxury, live how you think you deserve, live the life of your dreams, period. And if I'm on this earth, I'm gonna treat myself, period. I'm a buy. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up the video. Like I said earlier in the video, I do have a new bag, so if you guys are interested in that, give this video a thumbs up, and I will be posting that luxury unboxing. As always, comment, rate, subscribe. Mwah. See you in the next one.